Let me introduce Alpinion's X Plus Assistant, which will markedly shorten your exam time by reducing keystrokes. It instructs the next sequence and automatically displays the imaging modes, annotations, body patterns, and measurements you've set up. Now let's start with this easy-to-use program. After registration of a patient, simply press X Plus Assistant on the touch panel. Select a protocol and press Start Exam. And you can create a protocol of your own, but we also provide a wide range of scanning protocols. All of the protocols are customizable, and they can be imported and exported. I'm going to start scanning carotid. There are only two things you need to remember: scan and save. You can move on to the next task by just pressing Print button on the control panel. You don't have to press Text or Body Pattern button, and you don't even need to press Color Flow button. As you can see, X Plus Assistant is very straightforward. With this personal assistant, you'll be able to concentrate solely on your patient.